Hi, Tim Smith here, and welcome back to our blog series for ACS Technologies. Our company, Nonprofit DNA, has partnered with ACS Technologies to provide this content, the stewardship. If you ever have an interest, just feel free to click the link at the very end of the blog, and you can check in with us. The blog today is talking about keeping our fundraising in our churches, keeping our stewardship very personal. That when we have uh, a need to really relate to our congregation, it needs to be personal. It needs to feel like it's personal to them. How do you do that? Well, you can carve out some time to write handwritten notes. You can really work on your thank you letters. I'm always amazed at how seldom churches reach out to their contributors and thank them for contributing. I can say that over the many years that I have worked with stewardship projects in churches, and even in the churches that I've attended, I've yet to have anybody single me out just to say, "Hey, I notice that you're a regular faithful giver to our church. Thank you." It's something that nonprofit organizations do very well, and it really accents their fundraising. So think about that. There's some other ideas that we offer in the blog today. I hope you'll dive in there and really see what you can take from that, how that can help you with your stewardship at your church. Always, we're here to engage with you and continue the conversation. So again, feel free to click that link at the bottom of the blog. Thanks.